Assalamu alaikum kids. Hope you are doing good. Today we will learn about some magic words, and these words are called the courtesy words. Do you know what are these words? These words are thank you, please, you're welcome. And do you know what is the magic of these courtesy words? These words help us to be kind and polite. When we need something from anybody, from your mother, from your elder, or from your friend, what should we say? We should say, please. Repeat after me. What should we say? We should say, please. And when you got that thing, and what should you say? You say, thank you. What should you say? You say, thank you. And when somebody says us thank you, you know what should we say? We should say, you are welcome. What should we say? You are welcome. Good job. Now, look at this picture. You have this picture? Good. Okay, look at this picture. Two friends are playing together. One asks for something, for a toy from his friend, and he is saying, please. And when he got that thing, and he said, thank you. As we practiced earlier, when we need something, what should we say? We should say please. And when we got something from that person, what should we say? We should say thank you. And when somebody says us thank you, what should we say? We should say you are welcome. Let's say these magic words together. Please, thank you, you are welcome. Good job. You did it very well. Now, color this worksheet with your favorite colors and enjoy. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourselves. See you again. Bye bye.